This video is for personnel who are familiar with electrical panels and equipment. Do not open the control panel of any equipment unless you are confident that you can keep from electrocuting yourself. Old control system. Lots of hands have been in there. Lots of wires, but no drawing and no room to add options. Strip out old control system and rat nest. Leave starter ground lugs and transformer. Tip: leave jumper from overload to coil. Cut white overload wire and coil wire short so you know where they go later. Tip: cut transformer wires short so you know where they go later. Wiring may vary by transformer. Remove wiring from contacts. Make sure e-stop is normally closed and the rest are normally open. Tip: Marathon sometimes uses a normally closed only contact block on the reverse. You can remove this and replace it with the extra normally open contact from the start switch. Install VersaPack. Use the info provided in the manual and the electrical schematic to wire up components. You can now easily connect the new starter and transformer wires to where the wires from before were located. E-stop, start, and reverse switches will share the number 4 black wire. The e-stop will be connected on the normally closed terminals. Start and reverse will be connected on the normally open terminals. The off-on switch will be connected on the normally open terminals. For the off-on switch, the jumper on the terminal strip from 2 to 2A will need to be removed. Wire controls according to diagram and use the correct color coding if possible. For single coil, 2-position directional valves, you will only need to connect the common to number 1 and reverse coil to number 7. Tip: pressure switch is optional. It is necessary for the part full and full features. A pressure switch is recommended if using non-bypass type cylinders to take advantage of the smart shift feature. An amp switch can be used in the place of a pressure switch. Set pressure switch. We typically set the pressure switch at 150 to 250 psi below relief pressure. Set relief pressure. Most compactors are set at 1800 psi or so, but some are much lower and some higher. After install, you will need to set the T0 forward, T1 reverse, and T2 multi-cycle timers, as well as any additional features you may have enabled. Please refer to our basic timers video for help and tips on these settings. It is important to fill out the motor data tag and install it on the inside of the control panel. Install the drawing decal on the inside of the door and be sure to leave the manual inside of the control panel after install. Your customer will enjoy all the features of the new power unit. If you still have questions, call 352-742-4774, option 4, Kevin Long. For more videos or to download manuals, please visit www.versa-pack.net.